Hey, Brewskior, check out my brand new chest.
That's a good chest you got there. I'll trade you my paper ice skates for it.
Really? You would actually do something like that for me? Chambo.
Yeah, Chavo, of course. I admire your chest. It's got eggs all over it, and it smells like shit.
Yes, this new chest is fantastic. I bought it from a gypsy. I sold him 4 werewolf tooths for it, and it's worth every darn nickel.
I like it so much that I built a totem pole of it, and it's got red blood from it from 10 million dead Jews.
I flew in an airplane yesterday. It sounded like this. And then we landed.
Yeah, you were drunk, weren't you?
No.
No?
No.
Oh, I thought you were definitely drunk on cow urine.
Well, the heavily, yes. That doesn't count, though. Here's the sound of my new Morganox machine. Dong, 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 dong. Boop, boop, boop. It really does a quite dandy job when you need it and when you're in a pinch.
Yeah, that's the one that goes and then you shove them in your ass.
So happy together.
So how is Carl Weathers?
He is dandy. He's really, really dandy.
He has a bowl of SpaghettiOs, and he's giving them to you.
He puts his rump in the bowl. He puts his house on the tollway system.
Only 5 nickels to pass. Only 5 nickels to pass. Give Carl Weathers just 5 nickels and you can pass.
If you give him your special werewolf ticket, you can get through no problem.
He also accepts trades of a blender. If you got a blender, give it to him and surrender.
Surrender your blender. That was fun.
That was the best time I had since Slopblabber 10 million quantfizzles ago.
Kuka. John True! 2